In this activity, we will learn more about this and class and objects and constructors. So it says the this keyword in JavaScript is used to refer to the current object depending on where this is used. What it references changes. In the case of a class, it refers to the instance of the object being constructed. And it says you can use the this keyword to set the properties of the object being instantiated, or instantiated means to create. So we have an example here, a class of computer and a constructor of a RAM of 16. It says in your constructor, use the keyword this, okay, this, and set the property items set to an empty array with the square brackets, and set the property of total, okay, total set to 0, and also the property tax rate assigned to 8.24 8.25. Now let's talk about a little bit more about this. So for example, we have here a class computer, and we have a constructor to instantiate the objects, and this the RAM 16. So the this keyword actually means the the this property RAM of that instantiated object would be 16. That is what actually the this keyword does. So perhaps if we created a new object here, so we are able to create a new object, we're declaring a const, and let's say my new computer, and assign it to instantiate from the class computer. There it is. And if we log the property of our newly instantiated new computer from the class computer, so we console log, and let's take my new, what, no way, and then the RAM. So if we log the property RAM of our new computer being instantiated from the class computer, because we have here the this keyword, that would also mean the property of this new object being instantiated from this class would actually would also be, take a guess, of course, 16. Nice.